Hey guys, this is Bam and I'm back for another gadget unboxing. So this time I have the new Vivo Y17 smartphone. So before I start to unbox, please do subscribe on our YouTube channel and also visit our website, which is www.adobotech.net. So the Vivo Y17 is an entry-level smartphone. So it features, like it says on the front, it has a 5000 milliampere battery, a 4 GB of RAM, and 128 GB ROM. So at the back, as you can see, it says here a triple AI camera, again the 5000 milliampere battery, a dual engine fast charging technology, and at the bottom you have the model number, which is Vivo 1902. You have the color, which is mystic purple. That's a nice ring to it. So okay, so time to open up the new Vivo Y17. So inside the box of the new Vivo Y17, you'll find, of course, you have the jelly case, clear jelly case, looks nice. And you have the quick start guide, and of course the warranty and information card right here. Also, it comes with the reliable SIM ejector pin. And of course, you have the Vivo Y17 in mystic purple. Now that looks really nice. The color looks cool, right? So other stuff you can see, of course, you have the charger, the Vivo charger right here, and you have the USB cable. So as you can see from the cable, it still uses the standard micro USB connector, and it also comes with this standard earphones from, of course, Vivo. So as you can see from the design, it has, of course, the Vivo signature all over it. It has this very flat back design. I love the mystic purple color. So the light bounces out and the color looks really nice. Okay, so let's just set up the new Vivo Y17. Oh, so I'll just get it back. I'll choose English. Then I'll go, of course, my country. I'll agree on the terms and I'll skip this one. Okay, the usual Google services. Of course, you have the fingerprint and the face recognition security. So I'll just skip it for now. So of course, next. So you can use this feature, easy share. So you can easily import your information like contacts, messages, and photos from your old phone to transfer it to this new one. So I'll just skip this one, and that's it. It says here, congratulations. Cool. Okay, so let's check on the details on the Y17. So I'll just go on the more setting about the phone. So as you can see, the Vivo Y17, so it runs on FunTouch OS version 9. There's the model number, which is Vivo 1902. Android version 9 Pie. There we go. And it's powered by MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor with 2.3 GHz clock speed. So let's check on the RAM and the storage space. So there we go. So 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, and there's available of 113 GB storage available. And it also supports micro SD card for that extra storage. And so in terms of design, It's not it's not the slimmest smartphone, but it looks really nice. It's easy to hold on one hand. The 6.35 inch display looks really nice. So as you can see, viewing angle is also good. So the Android 9 FunTouch OS, of course, it's responsive. It does come with pre-installed app such as Lazada, WeSing, what else? You have the WPS Office right here. Of course, you have the usual Google apps pre-installed. So what else can we talk about the new Vivo Y17? So before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and also visit our website, which is www.adobotech.net. So going to the back of the Vivo Y17, so here you have the fingerprint scanner and the triple camera setup, which is a 13 megapixel main camera plus an 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera, and it also has the LED flash. Okay, so at the bottom right here, so you have the micro USB port, you have the speaker grill, a microphone, and the audio jack right here. So at the side or at the left side, you have the SIM slot right here, and on the right side you have the power button and the volume control. So the Vivo Y17 supports a dual SIM with LTE or 4G LTE connection. Okay, so I have with me the reliable SIM ejector pin, so we'll check if it's hybrid or it has a triple tray setup. Okay, so let's check. Oh, look at that. So the Y17 supports a triple tray setup, so you could use both your nano SIM card for different telco and place a micro SD card for that additional extra storage. That is nice. Y17 also supports the Jovi Smart SIM, so to activate it, simply swipe to the left from your home screen and you will see it here. So that's the Vivo Smart SIM. As you can see, it already comes with this cool lock screen wallpaper. They are colorful, they are nice to look at, and it varies every time you power up your device. So let's check. So as you can see, nice, right? Those are pretty nice looking wallpaper right here. So just a recap, so it runs on Android 9 Pie with FunTouch OS 9 on top. It comes with a 6.35 inch HD display powered by a MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 internal storage. So at the back, so you have the fingerprint scanner right here and the triple camera setup. So at the top of the screen, you have the notch. It's where the 20 megapixel front selfie camera is placed. Also comes with a huge 5,000 milliampere battery with 18 watt dual engine fast charger. So it's available in mineral blue and mystic purple color. So it's priced at 12,990. Okay, so that's it. This is the new Vivo Y17 smartphone. So again, this is Bam of adobotech.net, and thank you for watching. Now, back to work.